Here's some Hildegard von Bingen trivia. Subscribe. What title did Hildegard von Bingen hold? Is it A, Countess, B, Abbess, C, Archbishop, or D, Chancellor? The correct answer is B, Abess. In what year was Hildegard von Bingen born? Is it A, 1098, B, 1075, C, 1100, or D, 1115? The correct answer is A, then 98. Which monastic order did Hildegard belong to? Is it A, Augustinian, B, Cistercian, C, Franciscan, or D, Benedictine? The correct answer is D, Benedictine. What visionary experiences did Hildegard claim to have? Is it A, mystical, B, scientific insights, C, musical compositions, or D, political strategies? The correct answer is A, mystical. In which century did Hildegard live? Is it A, 12th, B, 10th, C, 13th, or D, 11th? The correct answer is A, 12th. Which pope supported Hildegard's works? Is it A, Innocent III, B, Leo X, C, Eugene III, D, Urban II? The correct answer is C, Eugene III. What did Hildegard write about in her book Physica? Is it A, medicine, B, natural history, C, music, or D, theology? The correct answer is B, natural history. What is the name of Hildegard's theological work? Is it A, Vita Christi, B, Liber Divinorum, C, Scivias, or D, Natura Mundi? The correct answer is C, Scivias. Which saint inspired Hildegard's visions? Is it A, Francis of Assisi, B, Thomas Aquinas, C, Bernard of Clairvaux, or D, Augustine of Hippo? The correct answer is C, Bernard of Clairvaux. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.